Yeah. Son of a bitch.
Just keep it coming. Just
keep it coming. Like, I'm just going to give you different flavours, you know? Because that was quite slow, but I quite enjoyed it, you know? So just give options later on. Worry about it later. Just give me like maybe 2-3 more takes, then we'll just move on.